Take a ride in the 2019 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.